Off the northeast coast of Saudi Arabia lies one of the world's biggest oil fields. It's called Manifa. Hidden beneath the surface of Manifa Bay is a delicate habitat of seagrass and coral reefs. These waters are teeming with life. It's a particularly productive area for shrimp, and fishing is an important part of the local economy. The development of the Manifa field has become one of the biggest engineering projects in the world. The oil's location beneath the shallow waters presented a major environmental challenge. Conventional shallow water drill rigs would require the dredging of many access channels. That could have done immense damage to the fragile marine environment.
The challenge was to reach the oil without destroying the environment. The team had to think outside the box. They had to come up with a radical approach.
So I think what we have to do is concentrate here on island number 6.
The solution was to create an onshore drill site above the offshore oil field. In a groundbreaking design, 27 man-made drilling islands were constructed, along with 41 kilometers of causeway. 4 million man-hours were spent on the detailed design phase alone. Mohammed Abdul Karim rose to the challenge of coordinating the Manifa mega project.
From the beginning, I realized that the development of the Manifa field would involve a massive effort. I knew we would have to come up with something very original.
The concept of how to develop an offshore shallow water field and take care of the fisheries and take care of the sensitivity of the ecosystem. For many of us as engineers, that was quite unique.
Before construction began, Saudi Aramco commissioned several in-depth environmental surveys.
The original plan was to construct a causeway coast to coast across the bay. And my concern was to maintain good water circulation and also the connectivity for the marine life between deep water and shallow water.
Ocean currents disperse vital nutrients and oxygen throughout the bay. To ensure the currents continue to circulate, a gap was opened up between causeway and coastline. And 14 bridges were added to help maintain the current's natural flow. Below ground, the challenges were no less demanding. 6 giant reservoirs of up to 40 kilometers long are stacked one above the other. Extended reach technology was used to tap into reserves at extreme distances from wells on the surface.
Manifa is the largest extended reach technology project in the world. About 2/3 of Manifa's 350 wells are extended reach wells.
The Manifa reservoirs have extremely complex profiles. Beneath lighter oil zones lies a layer of heavy tar. Maintaining reservoir pressure in these geological conditions is extremely challenging. The nuclear magnetic resonance tool was designed especially for Manifa to create real-time 3D profiles of the reservoir layers. This enables the geologists to accurately place their water injectors just above the heavy tar. Throughout the construction phase, scientists from King Fahd University closely monitored what was happening beneath the surface. Water samples were taken on a weekly basis to make sure there was no degradation in quality. And long after construction completion, the scientists continue to monitor Manifa's marine environment. A number of study stations have been established throughout the bay. Twice a year, the scientists photograph the exact same square meter of reef and record numbers of fish and invertebrates along a fixed line on the seabed. so any changes in the environment would be quickly identified. The Manifa mega project not only met its deadline targets, it was delivered under budget. And crucially, cost efficiency did not compromise safety or the environment. Peak production is forecast to reach 900,000 barrels per day.
Manifa is one of the project wonders of the modern world, achieved by the collaboration of exceptional teams from around the world.
Our teams managed to pull off something very special here. I think in years to come, Manifa will be remembered as a very important milestone for our company.
Saudi Arabia's position as the world's premier petroleum producer is ensured well into the future, and some of the kingdom's most precious natural habitat has been preserved for generations to come.